Hi there. We all deal with a lot of text data, from blogs to websites to earning transcripts and much more. Now, wouldn't it be cool if we could ask questions to the text data and get back the response even without reading the text? My friends, welcome to a very interesting demo on Q&A with text data. This is a very high value, very practical use case of generative AI. I will show you this demo using my platform experiencedatascience.com. You can also try it out with your own data. No coding is required and you will see the value immediately. So my friends, let us now jump into the demo, but do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like and comment on the video. In this demo, I'll be taking transcript text related to 2023 Q4 earnings call for Alphabet, which is the parent company of Google, and we'll be asking Q&A to this transcript in order to get some very interesting insights. Now, one way of doing a Q&A with this text is to use ChatGPT. However, as you will see that this approach will not work. Let me first start by copying all the text which is available in this transcript, and you will see that there is a lot of text. Alright, so let me now copy this and go to ChatGPT and let me ask a question on what is the Google's AI strategy based on this text. And let me paste this text and let me now submit this to ChatGPT. Alright, so ChatGPT will give an error message that the message you have submitted was too long and please reload the conversation and submit something shorter. So as I've told you that this method of directly asking ChatGPT will not work for such a long text. Now let me show you on how it is possible to do a Q&A with such a long text on my demo platform. However, let me first start by copying this text into an Excel file. I will also create a header line called transcript and save this as a CSV file. Now let me go to my demo platform experiencedatascience.com and I will go ahead and select the experience Q&A with text data. Now I've already set up the data set for Google's earning transcript, so if you want you can readily use it. But for the purpose of demonstration, I will go ahead and upload the CSV file which we just created. So let me go ahead and choose the CSV file and save it as a data source. And in a while, the data is uploaded and I can see that my file is available and ready to use. So let me now go ahead and select this and click on Analytics. So here I see multiple tabs, and let me first start with the Data Display tab. And let us try to select few records to display. Let us select all the columns, make some privacy settings, and let me now execute. Alright, so you have the data, and as you can see that it contains the complete text related to the transcript. So now let us go to the next step of embedding generation. Embeddings are vector representation or numeric representation of text. We'll be sending all the text to OpenAI through an API call. OpenAI is the company who has created ChatGPT, and this API will return back to us some vector representation of text. A very interesting thing to note that all the text which are similar will be close to each other in the vector space. And we'll be using these embeddings to efficiently answer our questions. So let me now start by selecting the column which we want to do an embedding on, which is our transcript column. Let me make some few other settings. Let me also save this data set so that we can reuse it for the next step. And let me now execute. Alright, so in a while, I see that I have the numeric representation or the vector representation of all the transcript text, and this vector representation is called embedding, as it is also indicated by the name of the column, which is called embedding. Now, my friends, we are all set to do Q&A with our text. But before that, let me change the data set so that we are using the data set which was generated in the embedding step. And let me first start by asking our first question on what is the Google's AI strategy. I will also select the column based on which answers should be generated as our transcript column. I will also select the column for embedding, which is our embedding column. I will also try to indicate on how to formulate the answer, and here I can indicate to formulate the answer based on the 5 closest match to our questions. And let me also now set up the NLP method as the OpenAI. And let us now execute and see what answer we get. Alright, so we get the answer and it says that Google's AI strategy involves using it to improve products such as search and ads, and to also help customers to achieve profitability and their goals. It also indicates that the offer of AI hypercomputer as well as how AI is being used in various areas such as YouTube in order to build better ad campaigns. And it also talks about Google's cloud AI solutions. So this is really awesome. And we are able to get answer to a question even without reading the entire transcript. And this is really cutting edge. Now, what is more cutting edge is that we also get the model explainability, which will show on how the answer was derived. So in this scatter plot, each dot corresponds to a line in the transcript. The blue dot shows the lines which were chosen to generate the answer. So for example, the blue dot over here is about the Alphabet CEO Sundar Pichai talking about the excitement around AI solutions and generative AI. And the blue dot over here is about how Google is applying generative AI to search. Now, such an explainability really helps to build trust in the answer which was generated. Alright, my friends, let us now go to another question and let us ask, what is the use of Gemini in advertisement? And let us see what answer we get. Alright, so we get this answer and it says that Gemini is used in advertisement to accelerate the creation of search campaigns and improve the quality and efficiency of search campaigns. Excellent. In a very rapid way, I get to know on how Google is leveraging the latest generative AI model called Gemini. Now, let us also look at the model explainability. And here we see that the transcript talks about the experimentation of Gemini with search. And here we see that Gemini will power new conversational experience in Google Ads. Alright, so this is really getting exciting, and let us now up our game by asking a game or sports related question. Let me ask on how Google provides services in NFL. Let me now execute and see the response. Alright, so we get the response and it says that Google is providing services in NFL by offering NFL Sunday tickets. And NFL Sunday Tickets allows users to access NFL content on YouTube, including live games, highlights, post-game commentary, and in-game advertisement. And that Google has also partnered with various partners. So this is pretty amazing. And let us now look also at the model explainability. And let me now hover over these blue dots. And here I see that the SVP of Google is talking about on how NFL Sunday Tickets supports the long-term strategy and solidifies YouTube as a must-have app on TV. And here we see that the transcript is about partnership which are involved in NFL Sunday Tickets. So my friends, this was really cutting edge. This was pretty awesome, and hopefully you have also enjoyed this video. You can see the power of Q&A with text, and I would recommend that you should also try it out with your own text data. So please do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like and comment on the video, and see you soon in another exciting demo video.